山中街。Central de Taishan. Oh, Rua Central de Taishan. Yeah, yeah, Rua Central de Taishan. Rua Central de Taishan. Walking the streets of Macau, the streets of Macau. Oh, 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 the streets of Macau. The streets of Macau. Oh, Rua Central de Taishan. Yeah, yeah, Rua Central de Taishan. Rua Central de Taishan.
Okay, so we're in this area called Taishan. Taishan is actually like this place by the border, but there's also a town that's named after the same name. There's like multiple different names, and we're gonna put it up on the map in a second. We'll just come to the end of it just so you can kind of get context of where we are. Let me just kind of see here. So this will be the base of our street. And the border is like right over there. There's also some kind of interesting stuff right in here too that I might try to capture. So stay tuned. Let's put this up on the map before we walk down our target street here. Ooh, a nice kind of windy day. Interesting. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So this is going to be our target street. Let me go across this way first. At the base of this, there's this really interesting alley, and I haven't filmed it in a while, but yeah, this little thing right here is really kind of makeshift. You can see what it looks like. I've always thought that was kind of interesting. And then you're kind of surrounded by all these tall buildings everywhere else. So this is the Taishan area. And then even look at this too, right? There's like kind of makeshift with a fence around it. Okay. So this is we're going to be walking all the way down towards the park, and it's we're kind of parallel with the border. So Zhuhai, China would be like, it's interesting, like not too far from there. I think the other side of the street looks a little bit more interesting. So we'll navigate that way. Here's an interesting vehicle. Raytown, Jamaica. One love. It's kind of interesting what you see sometimes, right? Okay. So this particular street is in this Taishan area. All those tall buildings over there, I usually strongly associate them with these Taishan streets. But this particular street is also Taishan as well. Central Street of Taishan. Let me just kind of walk. Let's see if we can, maybe have to go this way. We got like a boss here, everything. So they're doing all kinds of bamboo in this area. Maybe we'll just capture it when we come around the corner here. Got all the shovels. We're building all those things right there. So they'll do the scaffolding and they'll build this up, but they might be taking it down. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down, seeing what our Target Street looks like. If you're curious, I always put the last time that I was here, which is quite a while ago, on these streets as well. I'll put it on the video. And as an aside, I also just recently filmed this street, and there's a marketplace. This place right here is a marketplace, and I think you can actually go into this space too in here. So we'll just so yeah, it's like a little mercado right there, and then if we go into it we can see like fresh fish, fresh meat, fruits and vegetables. Let me just see here. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Here we got a building where, like, I think it's like social housing. We kind of have like 3 or 4 stories, and they're all connected by a wall. So that's kind of interesting. Over here is the school, Fatima. It says Nossa Senhora de Fatima, Our Lady of Fatima. I think these look kind of like social housing buildings. So you have bikes kind of out front. I guess it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stories. They look like social housing or low-income housing. There's the Fatima on that side. It sure does look kind of photogenic through these camera lenses. And then this is our Target Street right here. We're gonna go right through that playground right there, but that's what we're filming. Rua Sancho de Taishan. And we're gonna keep on walking through. There's I think that looks like more of another school all the way down. And this, I think, is kind of new, this playground area. The sun is so bright. So we're just gonna go down like this. Then we're gonna go across. I can actually see our sign. So I got a hold of the playground area in here. Let me see. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. I saw our sign up there, Rua Sancho de Taishan, right there. So this is still part of our street, and I think it continues down a little bit further. But I think it's all relatively new, this park. I don't recall seeing it here before. We'll just go all the way down and then we'll, oops. I wonder what that looks like in the camera. So we're still on our Target Street right here, Rua Sancho de Taishan, and I think it's going to come to an end. It could go either down that way or down that way, but that's our park right here, all the way. And then this name right here, I'm going to film it real quick. That one is also the name of that mercado. Okay, so we're gonna go across the street, and then we're gonna see if our street finishes or not, if it ends. I'm not 100% sure myself. The border is all the way down that way. And let's just see what street this is right here. Let's see. I think if it is, me just see if I can see a street sign here. So this particular street is our street right here, Rua Centro de Taishan. So we're still on our street, and our street continues, and you can see this little bridge right here. These ones kind of move traffic around this northern area, so you can move past all the traffic and congestion of the border and kind of bypass it by getting in that bridge. I think the last time I've been on this street, I think I just filmed parts of it. I don't think I filmed it all the way down like I have today. Okay. This is interesting. There's something here called Times. I wonder what that Times is. Whatever it is, it looks like it's closed. There's water. Looks like it's a bar though. Times. It's probably too early. So that's our target street right there, Rua Centro de Taishan. And we'll come out to all the way to the end here. Okay. Fast car moving. And this just basically goes right to the border, right there. And I guess what we'll do is we'll just cross over, kind of complete the whole Taishan video. But yeah, all of that goes to the border all the way up. And then this one is the bridge. It looks like there's actually a stop right here too. So underneath would be something like that in that space. Okay, so our Taishan kind of went all the way down to those tall buildings and kind of that way. Let's end it right there.